to my channel. And if you're new here, hey, my name is LaPortia. So today I have something different for you guys. Y'all know I just got my 16 Pro Max, so I've been looking at different cell phone cases because I love to have a cute case. But I found this company called Velvet Caviar, and they got a lot of good reviews, so I decided to order me 2 cases, and I'm gonna do an unboxing with y'all guys. So let's get to it. Try not to show my address, so I am going to open it like this. That's the first case I got. And this is the second one. This is the one that made me order. I seen it pop up on my Instagram and I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta have that. Then I went stalking the page and I was like, I gotta have both. And then I seen these that go with it. Had to get these. Like, I just bought everything. So I ended up getting a coupon. I think that's what that is. Oh, referral program. Okay. And in the other one, same thing. And I got some Halloween stickers because clearly Halloween is next week. But yes, so far I am loving it. I can't wait to put them on my phone. So I'm gonna open the first case, which was this one. It's very pretty. And this goes on the case. It is beautiful. Very soft material on the inside, both sides. Has their name on the side and everything. So I'm gonna put this on the case and then I'm gonna put it on my phone and I'll be back. So cute. Now let's put my phone inside the case. How it looks. The back. I love it. It's so cute. And it's protecting the screen and the lens. But I will be getting me some diamond little lens pieces. And it would be so much cuter. So yes, that's that. Let's go to the next one. So this is the one I saw on Instagram that made me check out the site. It was so cute. I love the material. Really nice. That is so cute. So I'm gonna put this on this and I'll be back. So this is how it's looking and it's so cute. Again, it protects everything. absolutely love it. Tell me which one you like the most down below in the comments. And I'll also have a discount code for y'all if you want to order from Velvet Caviar. And please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.